Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue to work on our reading. Let's start with our large sound cards. Repeat the sound after me. Y, yellow, y. X, fox, x. I, itch, I. W, wind, w. Q, queen, qu. E, ed, e. Excellent. Let's look at our reading that we did the other day. All right. Listen as I read the map to you. The map. Chap sat on Dad's lap. Dad said, "First, we will take a nap. Then, we will put on caps. Last, we will look at the map." "Okay," said Chap. Naps, caps, then the map. What will we be next? Sorry, I messed that sentence up. Let me try again. What will be next? Then we will go, said Dad. All right, your turn to read with me. Try to follow along and read the words as I read them. The map. Chap sat on Dad's lap. Dad said, "First, we will take a nap. Then, we will put on caps. Last, we will look at the map." "Okay," said Chap. Naps, caps, then the map. What will be next? Then we will go, said Dad. Great job. Let's look at the questions you're going to be answering. Number 1 is, who is Chap? Who is Chap in the story? Press pause, write your answer on the line, then push play. Okay, are you ready for number 2? Number 2, what will Dad and Chap do first? Look back in the story. Look for the word first and see what Dad and Chap will do first. Press pause, write your answer, then push play. Okay. Number 3. What will Dad and Chap do last? Look in the story for the word last. See what they will do last and write your answer. Excellent job. I'll be around today to listen to you read, so be ready to read the map to me when I come.